4. How are you, my students? Now I will solve page 206 from المعاصر book. Multiple choose questions. Question number 1. Look at here. Choose the correct answer. Which of the following represent 12 hundredths? We know 1 in teens, 2 in hundredths. We must color 1 vertical here and 2 unit about 1 hundredths. So we must choose the letter B. That was the example. But this example we know he colored 2 vertical about 10. It will be 0.2. 2 from teens, 2 teens. Okay, and this example 0.1 and 2. And this example he colored 1 whole number here and 2 vertical about 10 vertical 1.2, and here he colored 1 vertical here from teens and 3 units about 100 units. So the result will be 0.13. Which of the following represent 1.2? First we have 1 whole number here and 2 from 10. 2 teens. 2 from 10 will be 2 teens, 1.2. Choose letter A. And letter B we have 1 here and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 points, about 10 points. Number C here we have 1 whole 1 here and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 17s. And here he colored 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 0.8. He colored 8 from 10. Question number 3. 3 over 10 it's meaning 2 over 10 it's meaning 2 divided by 10. We must point after one digit. You must choose letter C about this example. Question number 4. 0.7 equals B it's meaning 7 over 10. We must choose letter B about this example. Question number 5. The shaded part in the figure represents space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 over what? Over 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 over 10 it's meaning half. Or 0.5. Or 0.5 and 0. We must choose letter D. We must put here 0 in the right hand side. 0.5 equal 0.50. 5 teens equal 50 hundredths. Question number 6 here. The shadowed part in the figure represents space. We have how many vertical? 1, 2, 3. 3 vertical. And 2 units from teens units. The result will be 0.32. 32 hundredths. Which of the following fraction for 0.9? 0.9 it's meaning 9 over 10. 19ths, letter C. And which of the following equal 1? 1, 10 over 10 equal 1, but 0.1 it will be 1 over 10, and 1.1 it will be 11 over 10, and 10 over 100 we can simplify it by divided by 10 numerator and denominator. The result will be 1 over 10. So the whole one here 10 over 10. Which decimal choose 8 hundredths? 8 hundredths. Where 8 hundredths? It's meaning 8 over 100. We must choose letter P. 8 hundredths. 8 hundredths. Now we complete page 188. Multiple choice questions. Number 1. A log is 8 over 10 meter long. Samih cuts off a piece that's 3 over 10 meter long. What is the length of the long now? He cut from it 8 over 10 subtract by 3 over 10. We can find the difference between them. 8 minus 3 equal 5. 5 over 10. 5 over 10 here, letter P. Question number 2. Sarah has 8/8 meter of fabric. She uses 6/8 meter to make a pillow. How much of the meters of fabric left? We can find the difference between them. 8/8 subtract by 6/8. The result will be 2/8. We can divide it by 2. 2 divided by 2 equal 1, and 8 divided by 2 equal 4. The result will be what? 1/4. Okay. Next question here. Submarine sandwich was cut into 2 equal pieces. Peter ate 3/12. Tag ate 2/12, and Marisa ate 5/12. What fraction of sandwich did they eat together? What's the fraction of sandwich did they eat all together? We can find the first. Peter ate 3/12, and Tag ate 2/12, and Marisa ate 5/12. We can find the total about them, because he asked what the fraction of sandwich did they eat all together. Eat them with me here. 3/12 plus 3/12 plus 2/12 plus 5/12. 3 plus 5, 2 equal 5. 5 plus 5 equal 10. 10/12. Okay, so the fraction of sandwich did they eat together? We can eat the fraction about them. It will be 10/12. And what about question number 4? Miriam ordered the pizza was 4th cheese, 4th pepper, and the rest was mushroom. What's the fraction of pizza represents the sum of sugo and mushroom? Sugo, 4th, and mushroom. Who can it be about the result? Mushroom. Mushroom will be 4th here, because 4th plus 4th plus 4th equal 3/4, or 3/4. 3/4 plus quarter, it will be 1 about the pizza. Okay, so he asked about the sum of sugo and mushroom. Sugo 4th and mushroom 4th. 4th plus 4th equal half, or 2/4. We can write 4 in the numerator, and 1 plus 1 equal 2. The result will be 2/4. Question number 5. Sandy makes a cake. Required 7/9 liter of milk, but Sandy only has 5/9 liter of milk. We have Sandy and here. Okay, again, Sandy makes a cake. The recipe requires 7 liter milk. She wanted 7/9 liter, but she has only 5/9 liter milk. How much does Sandy need to prepare a cake? She wants to do a cake, or Sandy makes a cake. She needs to prepare a cake by 7/9 milk, but she has only 9/5 liter milk. So we can find the difference about them. 7/9 subtract by 5/9. The result will be 2/9. Letter E. Choose letter E. Question number 6. Some children ate 4/12 of veg pizza, and 9/12 a pepperoni pizza, and 11/12 of a cheese pizza. All 3 pieces were the same size. Was the fraction still how much more cheese pizza than veg a child ate? How much more? Subtract between cheese pizza than veg pizza 20. What about where cheese pizza here, than veg pizza 4/12. We can find the difference between 11/12 and 4/12, right? 12 here, and 11 minus 2 equal what? 7. So in this example, he asked about the difference between 2 types about pizza, cheese pizza and veg pizza. The difference between them will be 7/12. Question number 7. In a relay race, Hani ran 1/5 kilometer. Amjad ran 1 and 2/5 kilometer, and Wael ran 1 and 3/5 kilometer. How far did Hani and Wael run altogether? Altogether it's meaning 8. About mean about Hani and Wael. Hani and Wael only. We can find the sum of them. 1 and 1/5 plus 1 and 3/5. 1 plus 1 equal 2 and 3 plus 1 equal 4. The result will be 2 and 4/5. Let us see about this example.